dokie. It's 29 until 31, I think.
Ang alam ko kasi si Rebecca, ang ano doon eh. The young woman ran and told her mother household about this place. Now Rebecca had 19?
29.
And he hurried off to the man at the spring. As soon as he had seen the nose ring and the bracelet on his sister's arms, he had heard Rebecca tell what the man said to her. He went out to the man and found him standing by the camels near the spring. Come, you who are blessed by the Lord, he said. Why are you standing out here? I have prepared the house and a place for the camels. So the man went to the house and the camels were unloaded. Unloaded nga. What is your question?
My question is, why did Laban invite the man?
He not invited the man. But your question is ano? It's not a party. It's not what you call this?
So, it wasn't an invitation?
Come, you are blessed by the Lord, he said. Why are you standing out here? I have prepared the house and place for the camels. Maybe that Laban want only them to rest. Because the camel was unloaded. Loaded. So they unloaded the camels inside his house, maybe. That's only the reason.
So, they were just resting?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Ang simple ng question mo. Kaso mo kasi, yung question mo kasi, ang simple ng sagot ng question mo kasi pinapaano mo kasi. And maybe, the other reason is, because of what he sold, di ba?
Oh, the gold chain. Yeah. Maybe he thought that, that man was rich.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm kind of getting suspicious of Laban. But my next question is...
And maybe,
Oh, yeah. What?
Sige.
Aww.
Ang parang question, hindi mo pa naintindihan mabuti ang
No, I actually understand.
Mabuti kasing tao si Rebecca. She was hospitality. The one, nag-usap kasi sila ni Laban eh.
That's right. Okay. So, it was because of, Rebecca. Because she was, not hostile or, she was kind. Just like you said, right? Her hospitality is, on a next level.
Yeah.
She's like a nurse, kind of like that.
And one reason one reason nga is he saw the gift that he saw the gift the servant brought to Rebecca.
Oh.
And maybe he saw that gift was so special.
Gold.
That's why maybe they saw that gift was so for the princess or for the came from the wealthy man like Abraham, because Abraham was rich.
Of course.
That's why nung nakita kasi niya nakasulat doon when we saw. That's why maybe that ring.
The ring?
Yeah, it's expensive. And Laban realized that it's not a simple gift. It was sentimental gift, or came from the rich or wealthy family.
Wow. Okay.
So Laban respect that servant, or 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 maybe Laban already know.
Maybe.
Hmm.
Or maybe God gave a vision
Maybe.
that a man that, that's why they agreed so
No,
easily.
God never not give vision to Laban, because it is right in there that um Laban saw Rebecca
Wait.
in the gift.
Mm. So they just respected the rich.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe because if you disrespected the rich before, you would be severely punished.
No.
Or they just wanted money.
No.
Ah,
Maybe that's the one reason. Maybe
maybe.
we don't know.
We don't know. We were not in the past. We're now in the future. So I guess so. I guess let's continue to our next question. My next question is, why did the servant share the gifts?
Not sure ba sila?
Yeah, he even gave some to the mother,
Who give?
the
Abraham?
servant of Abraham.
The servant of Abraham shared that. Maybe they have too much.
Too much?
Yeah, maybe they have enough and want to share more, or because he was
Oh.
no, servant wealth pala, no, yung mga servants wealth.
Yep.
The servant shared their wealth because it was a mission from they have mission from Abraham, di ba?
Yeah.
Give ano give or give as a part of uh
An offering?
no, about the marriage.
Oh. So it was to please the mother. Or in the so they could agree.
Yeah, because the gift is not only for Rebecca, also for her family.
Oh. So no one would rebel against the marriage.
Yeah,
Okay.
because in that time, in the the beginning lagi.
The beginning, in the
Ano yun?
beginning.
Si Adan at saka si Eva. In that, ano ba yung time na yun? Abraham,
Medieval.
no? Abraham
Yes.
is ancient time.
Ancient.
Yeah. Ancient. With accent. At the ancient time of Abraham, okay,
Okay.
is paano ba? Marriage contract. Kasi meron ng marriage contract nun eh.
Oh my God.
It's like the ngayon, the Muslim.
Yeah.
Yung mga ngayon, di ba yung mga Muslim?
Yeah, because they also have marriage
Yeah.
contracts.
When the Muslim married, want to marry a woman, should give first a gift to the lady and to the father in the matter, and to call it a dowry, di ba?
Oh, dowry.
Yeah.
Like,
It's like exchange of wealth. It's like a arrangement married. No, it is already arrangement married. Arranged. Oh, may parang ganun. Arrangement marriage na ginagawa na noon. Yeah.
blasphemy.
Yung gift kasi, symbolize to them anatomy, because to me it's never.
Yeah.
Gift symbolize the serious commitment, or ayoko na paliwanag. I'm not sure.
Aww.
Later na lang.
Okay, secret conversation.
Yeah, it's our secret covenant.
Secret covenant?
Conversation pala. Yun.
Okay.
Next question.
Our next question is, why did Rebecca's family ask Rebecca to decide?
Because maybe she was already in the right age, in the right
Time.
maybe she was already in a at the age but no. She can already decide to herself whether she would leave her family and go with the servant to marry Isaac, or still stay with her mom and dad, her parents, or her family.
Oh.
In
Oh.
noon, in that ancient times, not this our
Era.
generation, the generation of the Muslim now, the woman cannot decide to themselves, di ba?
Yeah.
Pag natapos ang arranged marriage nila, whether the man or the woman, the lady or the gentleman or the they don't like, they disagree, still they need to be married, di ba? The lady cannot decide to herself who will be the one who want her, anong tawag doon?
Will she marry?
Yeah,
Yeah.
she cannot decide. But before, in the ancient time of Abraham, the woman can decide. Yeah,
Damn, they have more human rights than us.
yeah.
Jealous.
Whether she want to marry that guy or she don't want.
Absolute perfect harmony.
Pero ngayon ginawa kasi why now their daughters or their what you call this? Yeah, babaeng anak
Mm.
cannot decide.
Mm.
One reason is,
What?
they make us business
They're
because of
silly.
money, because of gold, because yeah. Yun kasi ang naging nangyari ngayon. That's why pag yung guys nagbigay na ng cash or amount or any small or big amount sa parents nung gold digger,
True.